4 practical tricks that will guarantee a boost in your confidence. Number 1. If you're afraid to make eye contact and talk to people, practice making gentle eye contact with random people while walking on the road and hold it until they look away. Initially, it may feel strange, but over time, your comfort with maintaining eye contact will increase. Number 2. Do things you find embarrassing. Perform simple acts like filming yourself in public or wearing clothes that make you slightly self-conscious. We're often so afraid of embarrassment, so purposefully expose yourself to it in small doses. Doing so builds your immunity to handle the pressure of embarrassment. Number 3. Start seeing people at your own level. If you view others as above you, you'll feel pressured to impress them, and if you consider them beneath you, you risk becoming rude and arrogant. Always remember that there isn't much difference between you and others. Fundamentally, we are all human. Number 4. Recent studies have shown that your body language and posture directly impact your mood and confidence. Simply fixing your posture can bring an immediate change to your confidence and mental state.